When printing millions of documents, it's hard to keep track of each page and stay in compliance. And a mismatch in your mailing that exposes the wrong person's information could result in significant consequences. The Videk DocuVision Edge document integrity system for the Xerox Baltoro HF Inkjet Press replaces manual inspection processes with powerful automation. Cameras are mounted in the press, one on side A and one on side B, to inspect documents and alert you of any missing, mismatched, or out-of-order pages. Perfect for everything from insurance and financial statements to government-issued documents, direct mail to medical records. This system protects data and ensures piece-level accountability on every print run. We custom-build integrity applications just for you, based on your specs and requirements, so you can meet your SLAs with confidence, maintain compliance with data privacy policies, and save audit trails. Front-to-back matching ensures personal information stays protected. You choose the custom-built integrity application you want to run, and the system inspects a barcode on each side of every printed page to ensure the right information is going to the right person. Sequence checking works wonders for multi-page mailings. Again, you start by choosing the integrity application you're ready to run. Even with varying page counts for each person, the system inspects each page and checks that nothing is out of order, missing, or duplicated. If an error is detected, the system can pause the print run until the issue is resolved by the press operator, preventing wasted pages and wasted time. The system captures daily detailed analytics for proof of print, job accounting, and regulatory compliance. Easily export end-of-job reports. Protect your organization from data breaches and costly fines automatically. For more information, contact your Xerox sales representative.